What's up everyone, it's Tony here. I know this is a unique perspective, you don't normally see me like this, but I'm sitting on a very unique yacht. This is a Bluegame BG72. It's named Snack Money. Now this yacht is presented by the Italian Yacht Group. And guys, this yacht, I'm always looking for something that's extraordinary, very unique, and this yacht fits those two words precisely. As we go through the tour, you're gonna see exactly what I mean, but let me throw up a quick picture or two of its profile and from the aft perspective. Currently on the back of the boat, it's very busy, so I wanted to start the tour up here, but this yacht is truly unique. I think you're gonna really enjoy it. So enough of me, let's go ahead and get started with this yacht tour. We're at the Palm Beach International Boat Show, and we're standing up on the bow. So you have all of the sun pads up here in the lounging area, and you also have the table with the U-shaped seating, the teak accents, and the built-in cup holders. So I think it's starting to quiet out back on the aft deck, so we're gonna head there next. This yacht is truly special. It has a 360 view cockpit from the bridge, and you'll see that in there in just a little bit. We're gonna bypass all of this area. Don't worry, we're gonna come right back to this, but I did wanna show you this huge aft deck area. You have tons of storage space. The engines, of course, are located underneath, but in the pillars here, I believe this is the hidden crane. So this crane that's built right into the structure, this is how you'd release some of the toys into the water. And then you know me, if you've been a fan of the channel, I don't fish, but obviously if you're into that, you have your fighting chair. Then let me step off the back of the yacht and just show you the profile. One thing that makes this yacht so unique, you probably noticed it. Look at this wall of glass. This actually leads down to the main salon, but before we head in there, I'm gonna show you the rest of the outdoor areas. And then I think when we're done with the outdoor areas, we're gonna head inside from the bridge, and we'll actually loop our way around and make our way out through the store. So we'll show you that pretty cool pathing. Before we get to that, you have additional sun pads back here, and you have that consistent theme with the built-in cup holders and the teak. This is an expandable table with the L-shaped seating around it, as well as the seating on this side. And you also have the fold-down TV. Now, over here, I mentioned you have a 360-degree view cockpit, and that's because you're raised up and you have glass on each side. Before we see that, you do have this catering area right here with your refrigeration. You have your ice maker. There's the fridge. And then of course the storage right here. And then your sink and your barbecue. And I also wanted to quickly show you, and I'm not trying to rush, but there's not much to see up here. And that's because they kept this a very sleek look. You just have this huge sun pad that sits here. The rest of this area is teak lined. And that's about it up here. So obviously you see from the profile, and I'll throw up another picture now, you have that flat top, very sleek up here, but it's still a usable space, which is nice. And if we head back down the ladder, I'll give you one more shot of the bow. You can see, obviously at 72 feet, it's a pretty compact yacht. You have a sideboarding gate right here, and now one on the other side. And now I think we'll make our way into this 360 cockpit. Obviously, here is where the climate control starts, so feels great in here. You have the twin helm seat with the carbon fiber. And then you have 3 Garmin multifunction displays. You have the Volvo Penta joystick, your throttle control, the bow thruster, and the compass. This yacht, it also looks like it has the dockmate system, so you can hold this anywhere on the yacht and dock with this joystick. So it makes it very easy if you're short-handed. So this is a really cool feature. I think every yacht in this category, especially if you're gonna be owner operating, you should have a system like this. And then let me give you the 360 view. You have great visibility out all sides of this yacht. Obviously the whole wall of the glass windows and doors here. And then down this staircase, this is where you find the guest accommodations. You have a 3-cabin layout on this yacht. And I'm just gonna start with the owner suite. It's all the way forward. You have such a warm feeling in here. Very plush, thick carpet, very comfortable. You can see the closet right here. You have your storage, and same thing on the other side. A TV mounted on the wall. And then very stylish. This is an Italian yacht, so you still have that Italian style littered throughout. And then back here in the hallway, this is the dayhead, and this is also used for the third cabin. Still a really good size, very stylish as well. And the third cabin is right here with the 2 singles. And let's see, it looks like they do have the door to connect in this area. Let me back up real quick because you do have your washer and dryer in here. Now the third and final cabin is located right here. Once again, 2 singles, and I believe these can be pushed together to form a larger bed. And this one has its own ensuite, which of course is located forward. Now, you can close this door off, separating the 2 areas, and there's a floor stopper for the door, so this door will catch right here. And this is how we'll loop around back to the aft deck, because all of the living spaces in the galley, it's located aft. So you come through this door. First, here's the galley. Looks like Miele appliances. I think this is the integrated dishwasher. And then your freezer and fridge right here. And then all the way aft, here is the main salon. And guys, this is what makes this yacht extraordinary. You have your seating area right here, your coffee table. And take a look at these windows / door, I should say, because this will slide all the way across, and you can completely open up this space for the true connection between the inside and outside spaces. Of course, you have your dining area, and this table is expandable. Obviously, this is extremely unique, and that's one reason I wanted to tour this yacht so badly. And you also have a TV that rises up. You can see the cutout right here. Let me open up this door, and then I'm gonna walk out, but then I'll also walk back in so you can get the feeling of what it's like. I know I took you around up top at first, so I think you deserve it. All right, so you can see what that looks like right now. And let me adjust the camera because I know it's gonna be very bright out there. There we go. So turning back around, you can see the aft deck, of course, and then this is what it looks like when you have this fully opened. You can just step down into your luxurious main salon. I know you've all seen this, but I just wanted to show you from the backwards approach. And then of course your cabins, all of them are forward. Give me 1 second. Let me close this up because the AC is blasting, so I want to keep that in as much as possible. That was pretty easy, very smooth closing that door. So comment down below, let me know what you think of this design. Obviously, like I said in the intro, it's very unique. I think it's very cool. And now, let's figure out how to access the engines. I see the hatch right there. There's also a larger cutout, so I believe this can be opened up all the way, but we'll probably just access it through this hatch. So give me 1 moment. If you needed to work on these engines, of course, you could open up this hatch even further, but just for boat show purposes, I can give you a shot of the engines. Let me transfer to the other side. And this yacht comes with a pair. You already saw the Volvo Penta joystick. These are IPS 1350 D13 engines. They're about 1,000 horsepower each. You have a top speed pretty quick at 30 knots. You can cruise at 27, and you're looking at around 370 to 400 nautical miles at that cruising speed. So pretty decent when you're going quick like that. You drop it down to 10 knots, you're looking at probably around 1,000 nautical miles. But of course, yacht like this, if you have that performance capability, you're gonna wanna make the most of it. And it also looks like right down there, you did have space for the passerelle. All right, guys, so I know this tour wasn't the longest in the world, but obviously some of the spaces are pretty condensed. This is a very unique yacht, very special. I'm a big fan of this Bluegame. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thank you, of course, to the Italian Yacht Group for granting us access on board. I'm going to link this listing down in the description, and we will catch you next time.